Built-in GPS. Salmon use Earth's magnetic field like a compass to guide them back to the exact river where they were born, sometimes after thousands of kilometers at sea. Osmoregulation's superpower. They can switch their biology between fresh and salt water. Special cells in their gills change function to either excrete or absorb salt, depending on where they are. Salmon sunburn. When they leave the ocean and enter clear rivers, their skin becomes more sensitive to UV rays, and they can actually get sunburned if they linger near the surface. Color change mystery. Salmon flesh is pink because of astaxanthin, a pigment from the krill and shrimp they eat. But when they return to spawn, they stop eating and their bodies turn red or dark as the pigment moves from flesh to skin and eggs. Super stamina. A migrating salmon can leap waterfalls more than 3 meters 10 feet high using explosive bursts of energy. Scientists have recorded them clearing 6 times their body length in one jump. Zombie salmon effect. After spawning, Pacific salmon die, but their bodies fertilize the forest. Trees near salmon rivers have measurable nitrogen in their rings that came from salmon carcasses. Bears, eagles, and even moss rely on this nutrient flow. They smell in stereo. Salmon's sense of smell is so powerful that they can detect parts per billion of certain scents in the water. This is how they identify their home river. Ancient survivors. Fossil records show salmon have existed for more than 6 million years with very little change. Landlocked salmon. Some populations of Atlantic salmon became trapped in lakes after the last ice age and adapted to spend their entire lives in freshwater. Climate sensitivity. Salmon are so temperature sensitive that a shift of just 1-2 degrees Celsius in water temperature can decide whether they survive or fail during migration.